Stacks are also used to check whether a given arithmetic expression containing nested parentheses is properly parenthesized. Right? Given a string S containing three types of brackets, they are curly braces and square brackets and opening closing brackets, right? These are the three types of brackets. Right. Okay. Determine whether the expression are balanced or not, right? An expression is balanced if each opening bracket has a corresponding closing bracket of the same type, right? The pairs are properly ordered and no bracket closes before its matching opening bracket, right? Is this balance? Yeah, this is a balanced one because each opening bracket has a corresponding closing bracket. See, it is neat, right? Okay. What do you think about the second one? Let's check one by one, right? We meet open parentheses, and secondly bracket. Third one is opening braces, right? Firstly, we meet a closing bracket instead of a closing braces, right? This is the closing bracket, this is a braces. Firstly, we meet closing bracket instead of closing braces. Therefore, this is not balanced, right? How can we balance it? If it is balance one, you can see order like this, right? First we should close this and this, finally this, right? This is the correct version of the second one, right? Okay. time like this, we should ignore any numbers or letters or operators. We should care about the parentheses, brackets and braces, because this is caring about the balancing of parentheses only, right? Look at this equation, 2 plus 3, right? We can name the parts of this equation like this. If the equation does have a number or letter, which is called an operand, right? If it is a addition or minus or division or multiplication, likewise, which is called as an operator, right? In the evaluation of arithmetic operations, we have discussed 3 cases. We have to get the sum of A and B operands, right? Normally, we first write one operand and followed by the operator, right? And the second operator. Okay. If the operator is in the middle of the operands, right? Middle of the operands, which is called infix, right? Infix, right? Okay. If the operator is in front of operands, which is called prefix, right? If the operator is at the end of both operands, which is called a postfix, like this, okay? How to convert this into postfix? This part, should be emphasized in brackets, like this, okay? Right. And next, then convert this part into postfix. To convert it, get the operator to the end of the operands, like this. This should be C. Get the operator to the end of the operands. This should be like this, right? Okay. Now think this part as the operand, right? Operand. And now apply postfix, right? To convert it, get the operator to the end of the operation, like this, right? A like this, and oh no plus multiplication. Right. Now get the operator to the end of the operands, right? This is the operand getting to the end, right? It should be like this. Okay, did you understand? Yeah. Polish notation and reverse Polish notation. The two best known alternatives are where you write the operator before or after its operands, known as prefix or postfix notation, right? Reverse Polish notation, a mathematical notation in which operators follow operands. Reverse Polish notation, also known as Polish postfix notation or simply postfix notation, right? Can you understand this? I know you can't. Okay, let's see. 592. Push into the stack 592, right? This is also, right? Okay. Then get the top value of the stack, right? Copy it. 2 and 4, 6. Push into the stack, right? Next, 9 and 8. It gives 17. Therefore, 1 and 7, we get 7 and push it into this stack and remaining 1. 5, 7 equal to 12 and you should add this one to it, right? Next, it gives 30, right? From 13, we push the 3 onto the stack and remainder is 1, right? Next, now you should add this 1 to this 3. It gives 4 and push onto the stack. This is the answer, right? You should read these things, right? Okay. The next stack application is finding palindromes, right? I take the input string level, right? Push each character onto the stack like this. L, E, V, E, L, right? I start from this, right? Okay. And now pop characters from the stack to form a reverse string. First pop L, secondly E, thirdly V, fourth E, and next L. Okay. Compare the original string with the reversed string. See, both match, right? It is a palindrome. To test this class using the following inputs: a single character, multiple character in a word, multiple words, different cases, even length strings, odd length strings, the empty string. Search and learn about Tower of Hanoi yourself, right? If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment and share with your friends. Bye bye.